Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix unable to initialize the Vulkan driver error. In this error video seeing before, like and comment this video, subscribe to support my YouTube channel. Let's start that steps. In these steps, one by one follow to this problem, fix it. If you want more gaming and technical issues videos like this, subscribe our YouTube channel. Let's start that steps. First step, further NS admin that game. So go to the game file, go that. So select and right click, then we can go to the properties, then go to the calculator tab, then check select the calculator mode. Below check select the run this program as administrator. Once you select, like hit the apply and OK button, click here to close it. Then go to the next step, disable Windows security. So we can go to the Windows security. We can click to open it, then go to that virus and that protection. Then click on the manage settings. Here already off. If this real-time protection, turn it on, just click to turn it off. So come to back, then go to the next step, command promote. So go to that Windows search bar, then type that cmd. We can right click, then go to the run as administrator. Give this command description insert, then copy to paste. In this command, paste before, go to the your game file location. So the name select, copy, then come to command promote and paste, then that command copy. After that copy, then give the space, paste it, then like hit the enter, then your problem fix it, then exit, then finally you restart your system. That error fix it. This method working or not working, comment section, go to comment, and if you have any doubt, subscribe to comment. I give the answer or I will do video. And don't forget subscribe and like. Thanks for watching.